pretty decent size. Right here onto this bag. Gonna leave it alone here. Hey, did you guys see that? Where's my float? Did you guys see that? Caught it. I caught it. Honey, peguei. Yep, just caught it. There you go. There you go, buddy. There you go. The largemouth. Olha aí, que lindo. We just decided to go to the other side. Pera, deixa eu tirar aqui o negócio. Let me take the hook out. Vira aí, deixa eu pegar aqui nas suas costas aqui. Here. So yesterday I caught two peacocks here, and today I got the largemouth. I'm gonna put it back on the water. Aqui. Põe a mão aqui pra você ver aqui, ó.
Tô vendo.
Você vê o que eu vou fazer. Gonna put them back in the water. Beautiful. Vem cá, chega pertinho. Tá, você tá vendo? Yeah, gonna let him go. Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Did you like that?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
So we're gonna go to the other side now. We're gonna stay there for another 30 minutes because I gotta go to the beach with you. Otherwise you're gonna kill me.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah? So we're gonna stay there for another 30 minutes and then we're gonna go.
Okay.
Sounds
perfect.
a plan?
Sounds good.
All right.
Let's go.